welcome to Lost in South Oz. Today, Julie and I are at Portdock railway station. Our last video here was done just as they were completing the build here, and now it's been open for quite some time.
A few months at least.
Maybe 6 months.
Yeah, something like that.
And our original video was in the beginning of when it started construction, and both videos was full of Harris Spence. So today what we're going to do is basically just do a walkthrough and show you what's become of the new station, just to finish off this series on Portdock railway station. We do have a lot of railway videos on our channel, but we're not just doing complete railway videos. We're doing history, and we've done general interest and a lot of other videos. So if you're new to the channel, take that in mind, that this is not just a railway channel.
The common factor is interesting places.
Yeah, so the reason why they closed this station down originally was, I think, was it something to do with the police station?
Basically the station was originally over where the police station is now.
What we've got now is there's a bus depot here, and originally the railway station was over there. And
where we are was Goodshard and so on. Then the line went down what's now the main street of Port Adelaide.
Okay. And now we've still got all the old warehouses here. The railway museum is still here. But what's here, I can't remember what was originally here.
This was the railway Goodshard.
So it was, yeah, that's right. They, what was here was you had a whole heap of sidings coming in here, and the railway museum over there was storing a lot of its exhibits here. Now they're just using the back part. So, but we've got, this is really part of the, you know, the seating area for waiting for a bus, whatever.
And they rerouted the line, and that's why the station closed down.
And quite obviously they put one of those portable toilets, and there's more than likely someone on the station. But I've come along here to do this, to show everyone this before this station becomes busy.
Next train departs 19 minutes.
Yeah, so.
Not sure if we'll see it arrive.
But it's quite windy here this morning. But, I don't know, there's a little shunt loco down there, and another shunter down there. But that's looking that way towards the back of the police station. And this way. Originally, when I'd taken some footage here, I took it from just off the end of the platform down here. But let's just get a view of it down here. And there's a lot of warehouses still here. A lot of the sidings that were here went off in both directions before it got to where the platform area is. So I will walk around and show you a bit more. But as you can see, gee, I'll see what time it is, but it's about 20 minutes past 7. And you can see that I would assume that these sheds that the Railway Museum are using was part of the old goods sheds, old loco sheds and stuff. It's actually two edges to the platform, so but that line seems to be inside the railway museum. I was just noticing there's actually a walkway onto that side.
That side is the museum run services eventually.
So the museum are going to run services eventually.
That was put
That's
into
pretty cool. So they've got like a private railway platform.
there. Yeah.
You want to come this way?
Yeah, I am very cool.
I think the really interesting thing about when you do come across, or when you do see a lot of South Australian railway buildings are still intact. So, and I find that extremely interesting. Even these little gates down the bottom here are like the original gates to the, to a goods yard. I'll give you a look. It's like, if you're looking up there, just notice that there's a door to nowhere on the side of that warehouse. Alright. Oh, it isn't deserted. There is somebody here. It's like the light rail system that goes around all the railway museums, sort of goes in there, and then you can see those like old goods yards gates. So I assume they're gonna, if they're gonna be catching a bigger gauge track train, they would be going through that gate. They wouldn't be coming through here. This would be something. I was just noticing they've put up a set of those old goods yard gates in there. They don't look original. I don't think they were there.
No, I don't think they were.
And we're lucky enough to have a train come into portdock station while we're here. And these are the old diesels. I don't know what they're called, do you?
Diesel rail cars?
Just simple diesel rail cars. And this driver will change ends, but this is probably where we're going to leave it. And I'm going to say from me, thank you for watching. I'm Bridget.
I'm Julie.
Please subscribe. Give this a thumbs up if you think it deserves it. And thanks for watching. Take care for now. Bye for now.